Hi, this is George. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm sorry that I was not able to post any videos for the last 2 months. I'm a little bit held up with some personal things, and my frequency of video uploading might little go down because I'm, as I said, I'm held up with some other personal things. But still, I will come once in a while and update the trades what I have taken or what I have explained in the previous videos. So though I'm not uploading the video, it doesn't mean that I have stopped trading. So that is like going in one side, but I'm not able to just give you the update. But once in a while, I'll come and definitely give you the updates on at least the P&L. The just like this video, what I'm going to say is the P&L of the last 3 quarters for this financial year. How has the strategies that I have explained in this channel have performed? So at least these updates I will come and give. And once in a while, when I find some very good exciting strategy, definitely I'll come and share it with everyone. So if you are new to this channel, you are viewing it for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel and please do join our Telegram channel and please do like the video if you genuinely like it. Let's jump into the video. So as I said, this is P&L for Q1 to Q3 of 2022 and 2023 financial year. So in this, I'm going to explain 6 strategies that we have already seen in this channel. So these are all with absolutely no adjustment. So these are all like very much suitable for the working professionals. These are all again weekly strategies and manual backtesting I have given for all the 3 quarters, which is 9 months. And strong disclaimer, this is only for educational purpose. Please do your research before taking any trade. This is not a recommendation, but just my view. So the first strategy that we are going to see is pair trading using spread strategy. So I'm not going to repeat every time all the strategies. We are going to enter at previous Thursday of the expiry week at 9:30 a.m. and we'll be exiting on 9:30 a.m. of that particular expiry week. And the rules are only like I'll explain going forward. So in the strategy, what we'll be doing is like we are going to buy ATM call and sell OTM call 200 strikes away in call option in Nifty, and similarly, we are going to buy ATM put and sell OTM 600 strikes away in Bank Nifty. So the thing is like we are going long in Nifty and we are going short in Bank Nifty. So in this, you can see in the descriptions I would have given how I have explained these strategies in the description box below for a detailed explanation. But overall, I can say overview of this is like this strategy will give you profit only when market goes down because this has average of Bank Nifty when which is more volatile and P strikes premium also will be little higher. So only when market is going down, this will give a very good profit. And on the other hand, if market is going on the upside, it will give a minimal loss. It is not going to be a profit or whatever may be the like a it is a neutral or if it is a bullish mode, you are not going to get profit, but you will be ending up in loss, but it will not be a huge loss. So pair trading, as from the name, you can know that it is a hedging strategy. So if it is going in the upside also, you are like not going to take a very big loss, but you are going to definitely get loss. But if you are going in the, if it is a bearish trend, then you are going to end up in a profit. And capital record is very less in this case. It is only 45,000. I have given like they all 6 months P&L in the left side and overall summary in the right side. You can see like only 16 weeks are profitable. The reason being, you can see like this financial year has been a tremendous good year for traders or investors, whoever it is, because you could have seen a very good sharp increase in the index. So that is the reason, as I explained, this strategy have failed and it has went to minus 53% of ROI for the 9 months. So this strategy is giving a loss of 6% month over month, which is something which we need to panic. But still, I would recommend to keep this strategy in your portfolio because you will not be just a trader, I hope. So you might be investing as well. So whatever the loss that you are going to make in this would be taken care of the stocks that you are invested, stocks or FTBs or whatever it is that you have invested in your portfolio. On the other hand, if suppose it was a very terrible year and market is falling sharply, in that cases, though your portfolio might bleed, this is going to give you a profit. And if you are a long-term investor, as you are not going to like close those stocks, you're not going to sell them in loss, that again is going to rise and you'll be ending up in profit in both this trading as well as investing purpose. So I'll advise you to keep this strategy in portfolio for a longer use. Coming to the next strategy. So in this strategy, what we'll do is like the capital target is a little higher. It is 1.5 lakhs. The reason is being like you're going to sell three lots in put and call side. So and you are buying hedges for, say, in this case we are like buying one lot 500 strikes away from ATM call and put, and selling three lots 80 like 1,500 point strikes away from ATM call and put, and we'll be buying two lots of 2,500 strikes away from ATM call and put in Bank Nifty. This is a Bank Nifty strategy. Now, this strategy will give you profit when market is range bound of around 2000 points from the ATM where you are, which is almost many times this will be giving you profit. But at times when market is more volatile and if it is moving more than 2000 points, you will end up in loss. So you can see like again this has given you profitable weeks of 20 weeks. Last strategy I've seen only 16 weeks. I think which is 41%. This you can see like a 20 weeks were profitable. Total out in the 9 months there were 39 weeks if I'm not wrong. So it has given more than like half of weeks we were in profit. And overall profit also it is like 31% return on investment, which is 3% ROI per month, which is a very good return. So again, it is totally a very good strategy. You can use this as well. And before that, I mentioned to say one thing. So in this, I'm explaining 6 strategies. In the previous videos, I would have explained 2 parts on after the half yearly of financial year has got over. In that first video, I would have given explained about 5 strategies, and second video, I would have explained 4 strategies, 9 strategies. But in the end of both the strategies, I would have told like we'll be skipping 3 videos. So because of that, from 9 we are reduced 3 and now 6 are there. And now in the 6 again I'm going to say that from next like time when I'm going to update, I'm going to skip this video, pair trading using Ironfly. This is a strategy where 1 lakh capital is required, and here we are going to sell ATM call and put in Nifty, and we are going to buy 500 points as hedge for Nifty, and we are going to buy ATM call and put in Bank Nifty and sell 1,300 points away in Bank Nifty as hedge. The thing is like Bank Nifty we are buying because we expect market might go like volatile, and for hedging we are going to sell ATM call of put ATM call and put in Nifty as a hedge. This strategy has not given a very good return. For 9 months, it has given 13% return, and ROA per month is like almost around 1%. So this has again profitable weeks were again similar to what we saw in the last case, but still it has not yielded a very good profit. And I found it little not convincing to keep continuing the strategy. So we might be omitting this strategy going forward. Then this is a very good strategy. Uh, I would definitely recommend people to do this strategy because I am like kind of very big fan of this, and I'm doing for the past so many weeks, and I'm in a very good profit in this strategy alone. So this is in this strategy we are going to buy like one lot of 200 strikes away ATM call and put in the current week expiry, and we are selling 2 lots of 500 strikes away ATM call and put in the next week expiry. Capital required is 1.25 lakhs because it's not totally hedged. As you can see, there are 2 lots of uh, 2 plus 2, 4 lots of sell sides, and 1 plus 1, 2 lot of buy side. Two lots is naked. So that is the reason you need a bigger capital. And you can see the very good result of 44% ROI for the 9 months, and also 27 weeks were in profit, and 5% ROI per month is something extraordinary. So you can definitely try this strategy. Then comes ratio spread. This again is a very good strategy, little different from what we saw in the last case. Last case we saw like it was kind of a calendar where we were selling, buying current week and selling that next week. But in this case, we are going to do in the same week only. We are buying one lot of ATM call and put in the current week, and we are selling 2 lots of ATM call, which is little far from the ATM call and put. The premium calculation I would have explained in the particular video of this, which description is given in the link below. You can see at your own pace and understand more of the strategy. This is also one of my favorite strategy But one thing in this strategy is like when there is a loss, it will be a very big loss. You can see like almost 30 weeks, which is having the highest probability of profit in this strategy. And RO is 3%, overall 29% is a very good thing. But when there was a loss, the loss will be very huge. So you need to be careful about that. This won't happen in the last strategy, but this can happen in this strategy. So if market is moving so wildly, it is better you don't do this strategy. If you know that it is going to be a trending week, you can avoid this, or else always you can like buy some edge. You can see like here it is like a buying one lot and selling two lots on each side. Instead, maybe you can buy again one lot little for OTM. By thereby you can reduce the capital required as well, and so ROI also might increase. That is totally up to you. And double said this is again 60K is the capital required. This we are going to buy one lot of uh, call and put in Bank Nifty 500 points away, and we are going to sell one lot 800 points away from ATM call and put. So in this again we are getting around 18% profit, and number of profitable weeks is 21, and ROI per month is 2%, which is not bad. So this is the overall summary. Except for this pad trading using Ironfly, I might continue with all the other 5 strategies. Out of these strict strategies, 6 strategies, you can see like only the first strategies has failed, and that too it's a valid reason. As we know that if market is bullish, you are going to lose in the strategy, and I'm totally fine with that because I am hedged with the portfolio. So I'm totally fine with this. Rest all the strategies that I have explained have continually giving profit for quite the last 9 months. And maybe next video, if it is happening on this P&L, maybe after the end of financial year, that time I'll be explaining the 5 strategies. Let's see where we'll be ending for the financial year. And also in between, I am planning to introduce like a Fin Nifty also in the videos that I'm posting. And Fin Nifty is quite getting some volume nowadays, and people are started talking about that. So once big players enter in it, then only it is good for retailers to get in, or else we won't get the liquidity. So I feel like I've just started doing some trades on Fin Nifty. It is little okay, but I'm not involved so much. I'm like little back testing only and doing very minimal trades. So once I'm convinced with some strategies, definitely I will come up with that, and I'll post videos on that. So till then, thank you. Bye.